Entelechy, power your life with green energy. Entelechy all-in-one solar power generator series apply for home solar system. There are 500 watts, 1500 watts, 3000 watts, and 5000 watts etc. Brand wattage can be customized ODM. It can be used at home or outdoors. Entelechy is a leading manufacturer of solar products in China with 12 years of experience. We uses the branded lithium LiFePO4 battery. All-in-one solar generator is composed of battery, inverter and controller, which is easy to operate. The factory covers an area of 5,100 staffs. The produce capacity of the generator is 40,000 sets per month. There is a steering wheel at the bottom, which is convenient for moving, pure sine wave output, continuous and stable power output, extended service life. It supports 3 outputs. The generator is charged by solar energy or mains electricity, then to power the home appliance. This generator is 500 watts, which can power light bulbs, mobile phones, fans, computers, and other small appliances. This is our 5000 watts generator undergoing the burn-in test. Each of our generators will be tested 100% load, simulate actual use scenarios, before shipment. The 5000 watts generator can power refrigerators, microwave ovens, computers, air conditioners, washing machines, and other large appliances. It can drive a 5000 watts load. Over the years, our generator products have been exported to Africa, the Middle East, Latin America, Europe and other regions, and have been widely praised by customers. Entelechy, your best solar product solution.